Hello everyone and welcome to today's Tooltip Tuesday. Today I will show you how easy and quick it is to create and export reports in Redex. In the overview we can see the status of each connected machine. By clicking on one of the machines we can get more information about this machine. However, this overview provides us with information about the current status of the machine or a brief history of the last 7 days. If we want to know more, for example, what happened on the machine last week, we should take a look at the reports. You can use the reports to list information at any point in time, both now and from the past. For example, if we want to know how many parts were produced last week on the MX7 linear machine we are currently looking at, we select the machine under the machine list. And select the part production history as a report type and select the last week for the period. In addition to the normal part production, the history provides us with the information in third resolution so that we can display the production per days, for example. With Generate Report, we can have the data shown. The report now shown can either be printed or exported as a CSV. Additional machines can be easily added to the report via the machine selection. Also, the time period can be changed, for example to last month. For a better overview, we can change the resolution to the week view. Let's generate a report again. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment. See you soon for the next Tooltip Tuesday.